Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Quickly, I just want to show you guys how you can edit a image on your WordPress website within Elementor. So if you're one of my clients who I built your website for you and you want to know how you can actually go into your website and change pictures out or swap some pictures out, add pictures, yada yada. So the first thing you want to do is, if you already see that you have containers on your website that have an image but you want to swap it out, so maybe you're my client, I just issue back your website and you're like, okay, I like this section but I want to use another picture for this right here. What you want to do is make sure you open up Elementor, okay, and you can easily get to Elementor by, once you view your actual site, just click at the top, edit with Elementor, and then you'll be prompted to this page. Well, not this page obviously, but something like this. Then you just want to scroll down to the exact area where you are looking to swap out the image, and you want to wait until you see the pink border come across it or the pencil tool come across the actual image that you're trying to swap out. You want to click it. Once you click it, you will see over here you can edit the image widget and you can choose your image. So just by clicking on that, you will be prompted right here to your media library. Now, if you don't already have images on your media or on your WordPress dashboard, you can always just upload files and you can select files from your actual computer. So that's the first way you can do that. But let's just say I had added in a gallery section and you want to change some pictures out of your gallery section and stuff like that. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so let's just say you had a gallery section somewhere on your website and you want to edit out some of those images. So again, you want to do the same thing. You want to actually click on that pink pencil to edit the basic gallery widget, and now you will see that you have things over here. First of all, you see you have 7 images selected, and these are the same 7 images that you see actually in the container. You want to click on that and you can see all of the images. So if you just imagine if there were more, you will see even more images, and all you have to do is click on the X button to delete it. So now if I just go back to insert, you will see the camera will disappear just like that. And again, if you wanted to add something to your gallery, you have to come over here to the left, add to gallery, and again you can choose either from your media library or from your uploaded files. So let's just say we want to put that camera back in there, add to gallery. It's going to bring you here, and at this point in the gallery section you can even rearrange things. So if you want it to be chair, camera, chair, and maybe after the blow dry you want another chair, you can do that, so you can have a specific order. Click on insert gallery. Now the camera will appear and it will be in a different order. So that is exactly how you can edit or change or swap out images anywhere on your website just by clicking on the pink pencil. It'll pop up over here, you click it, and you can start changing and adding and editing images on your WordPress website. I do go live weekly where I show you guys how to do different custom pieces in WordPress and using Elementor, and I actually show you guys a little bit more of my thought process, how I find things, and overall just how I build websites. And if you want to be a part of that community, I will have the link to my Discord down below in the description box. Now that's all I have for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.